Tappy activated. Hi, my bite-sized crypto enthusiasts. Today, I'll transfer very important information: how to create your very own NFT. Creating and selling an NFT sounds complex, but it's actually pretty straightforward. First, you gotta choose your digital media. Let me boost your crypto IQ. Start by picking the type of digital file you want to turn into an NFT. It might be a photo, a song, a painting, any digital media you own the rights to. If you're making one from scratch, use NFT-specific programs like Bueno or NFT Nader, or go for general image programs like Photoshop or Procreate. What are the most popular NFT types? Example protocol switched on. 2D images are great for beginners. 3D images are more advanced and created using programs like Maya, Blender, or Houdini. You can also create GIFs, audio, and video. If you can code, create virtual real estate or land in the metaverse. An additional info upload. You can make single artworks, NFT collections, memes, or trading cards and collectibles. The next step decoded. Once you have your file, pick a blockchain to mint or create your NFT on. Minting results in a unique digital certificate on the blockchain that can't be changed. Think about wallet compatibility, transaction fees, and the marketplace you want to use. Now, I'll power your NFT know-how. Each blockchain has its pros and cons. Ethereum is the most popular for NFTs and supported by major marketplaces. It uses proof of stake for strong security, but gas fees can be high. Solana uses proof of history and proof of work and is not as secure as Ethereum, but it has lower fees and faster transactions. And Flow also uses POS and is designed to handle Web3, including NFTs. It's more user-friendly and cheaper to use. Let's charge ahead to the next stage, and it's creating your crypto wallet. You need it to hold your NFTs and any cryptocurrency earned from selling them. Oh no, beep boop, I need to reboot. I'll tell you about top wallets in the next video. Tappy deactivated.